Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Cleansing the liver naturally involves various practices and habits that support the organ's function. Here's an explanation of some of the best methods. 1. Hydration. Drinking ample water supports liver function by aiding in toxin removal. It ensures proper hydration for optimal liver performance. Water assists in flushing out waste and toxins from the body, easing the liver's workload and promoting overall health. 2. Healthy diet. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can assist liver detoxification. Foods like garlic, cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cabbage, and leafy greens, spinach, kale, contain compounds that support liver health. 3. Limit alcohol intake. Reducing or abstaining from alcohol consumption helps prevent liver damage. Alcohol is taxing on the liver and can lead to conditions like fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and inflammation. 4. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas, like green tea and dandelion tea, contain antioxidants that support liver health. Dandelion root tea, in particular, is believed to promote liver detoxification and bile production, aiding digestion. 5. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity helps improve overall health, including liver function. Exercise supports weight management and reduces the risk of fatty liver disease. It also enhances blood circulation, benefiting liver health. 6. Avoiding processed foods. High intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can burden the liver. Limiting these foods reduces the liver's exposure to harmful additives and chemicals. 7. Milk thistle. This herbal supplement is known for its potential to protect liver cells and aid in regeneration. It contains silymarin, an antioxidant that may reduce liver inflammation and promote detoxification. 8. Healthy fats, including healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil supports liver health. These fats help in bile production, aiding digestion and the absorption of nutrients. 9. Limiting toxins. Reducing exposure to environmental toxins, pollutants, and chemicals helps lower the liver's toxin load. This includes using natural cleaning products, opting for organic foods, and minimizing exposure to harmful substances. 10. Quality sleep. Ensuring adequate and quality sleep supports overall health, including liver function. During sleep, the body undergoes detoxification processes, allowing the liver to repair and regenerate. 11. Stress management, mindfulness techniques. Chronic stress can impact liver health. Engage in stress-relieving activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to promote overall wellness. Each of these practices contributes to supporting liver health naturally. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary or lifestyle changes, especially if dealing with liver-related issues. Please subscribe to my channel for more.